Today I got a new camera, so I'm going to show you it. It is the Canon EOS 750D, so I'm going to unbox it and show you what's inside, and then give you a wee sample of what it's like, coming right up. Yeah, so this is my new camera. Let's see what's in the box. We got starter booklets, just a manual. So yeah, that's pretty cool. A DVD. Let a professional photographer show you the tricks of the trade. So we got a plug. We got a strap to put around your neck. We got a home charger, just the usual kind of starter thing. The lens. I'm not gonna lie, this is my first like proper kind of professional camera that I've ever purchased. So I hope you're only watching this video expecting some kind of tutorial on how to actually work it, because I have no idea. USB wire. And here is the main thing. So aye, looks pretty good. Looks pretty cool. It's got all the usual kind of stuff that you see in these kind of cameras. There's your SD card in there. HDMI, AV out digital, all that in there. That's for your mic. And now, pretty handy. Yeah, so I'm gonna attempt to put this on. I don't know how easy. I'm gonna end up breaking this. Oh, 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 does it click? Oh, oh, that wasn't hard. Let's put the battery in. Battery, that was your battery bit in there, down the bottom, so yeah, check that out. Cool. Put in the date. What's the date? Get the date sorted and then I'm going to bring you up a wee bit. I'm going to bring you up like slightly, just right, okay. Right, so the date. You think this was a hard bit, putting the date in? Okay, so I've got to the part where you take photos, so I just took that lovely photo of that bit of cardboard. Right, so this is it recording. I should really have put it on the tripod. Right, so this is the Canon EOS 750D. Captures my face pretty much. Hello. Oh. Almost fell. I'm at Balloch Park today with my wife, Amy, to show you the capabilities this Canon EOS 750D camera. So I'm going to get some cinematic shots and show you what it's like coming right up. I think I'll finish it there. I mean, you got to see what was in the box. So don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below if this was useful in the slightest. It probably wasn't. There's probably about 10 other videos that are much better at describing this exact product than what I've just shown you. But hey ho. See you next time.